baby. Two babies.
What the hell are those things over there? With the white butts.
An antelope.
Look at this shot.
Mm-hmm.
He looked at me.
Yes, he did. Look at that! Look at that person there. Oh, see, they're all going to be fed, David. Look, she's right over there. Somebody else is there?
Look at them donkeys. That's what they are.
Oh, the donkeys, yeah, yeah. But look, they're all going there to be fed.
Mm-hmm.
Let's stay right here. Let's watch.
I'm not going to pass this car. I just want to get closer.
No. Oh, look at the baby. Look at this one. Oh. Oh, see? Food. Oh my God.
Holy cow.
The donkey just kicked the other one in the
Really?
head. Yeah, yeah. She just kicked him. And there they are. Feeding time.